Now that we have our role, the next thing we need to set up is the Elastic Transcoder. What that does is it allows us to take a video file and transcode it to different file formats or bit rates. To get started, we're going to click on the Services tab. Then we're going to go down to Media Services and click on the first one, Elastic Transcoder. Now with Elastic Transcoder, you have two main things really. You have a pipeline and a job. A job is a specific media file that you want to transcode into a specific format or bitrate. And a pipeline pretty much allows you to do that and specify all those things for you. To get started, we're just going to click on the Create a New Pipeline button up the top. First off, we need to give our pipeline a name. So let's name it My Awesome Pipeline. Next, we need to specify the input bucket where it's going to grab the video files from. So that's just going to be our upload bucket. Now leave the IAM role as it is. It'll create a default role for us to use. Next, we need to specify where our output is going to go. So what bucket do we want to put the transcoded files in? So we're going to choose our transcoded bucket. And we're going to set the storage class to standard. Now what the pipeline can also do is create thumbnails for the videos that it transcodes. Now we're not going to be using this, but we should still specify it anyway. So we're just going to scroll down a bit, select the transcoded bucket, and set that to standard as well. To finish off, we're just going to click on Create Pipeline. And there we have it, our pipeline's been created. Now take note of the pipeline ID, we will be using this a bit later.